Gentlemen, tell me who you are and where you're from and how your trip was.
I'm Jimmy from Georgia. We had a great trip. This was a wonderful 3 days of riding in the rainforest and beaches and river crossings. It's so many you couldn't count. And Sean was the only pain in my ass. So.
No, he's your lifesaver.
No, we had a great time. All the guys were great. It was some extreme terrain, but it was a great challenge.
Awesome. Thanks for coming, Jimmy. George?
I'm George. I'm from Colorado, Grand Junction, and I had a blast. Hospitality, the weather, the scenery. This place is, if you're looking to go off the grid, man, this is the place. I said earlier, I have friends at home that have been asking me, well, I've been here all week, what it's going to be like, what's it like, and I just keep telling them it's totally legitimate, off the hook. This place is beautiful, and thank you, Chris, and the hospitality, and your staff. You guys, this is an amazing experience if you want to give it a shot.
Thanks,
Especially these ladies.
Yeah, people are great.
Hey! Thanks, you guys, for coming, and you always got friends in Costa Rica.
Positive.